The Kershaw Kapsule is a compact, out-of-the-front knife that is certain to turn heads and bring a smile to your face each time you open it. Unlike most OTFs, this knife is completely manual in opening, with no springs helping you open or close the blade. The Kapsule features a black glass-filled nylon handle with blue accents, reinforced by a stainless steel frame. The knife opens and closes by pushing the blue button to disengage the lock and slide the knife open or closed. The Kapsule features a single-edged bayonet-style blade that excels at piercing and slicing tasks. The blade is made from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel, which is excellent at resisting corrosion and easy to sharpen. Its deep carry pocket clip and closed length of 3 1/8 inches makes this knife easy to carry every day. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you think of the Kapsule. Does the idea of a manual OTF interest you? Well, let us know, and click the link in the description to get yours today. And for more knife overviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and follow Blade HQ on social media, and you can sign up for our newsletter down below.